What's up, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. It means the world to me. For all my subscribers that have been watching my videos, loyalty, thank you. It means a lot to me. Today's video, we're going to be talking about a new fragrance that I picked up at Nordstrom. If you saw the title, you already know what it is. So let's unbox this video and let's get started. So today's video, we're going to be talking about a fragrance from YSL, and if you read the title, it's Y. This is the Eau de Parfum version. Have it right here, and it does come in the original EDT too. I have that version. I ain't too much like it too much, but we're going to talk about the EDP right now. So YSL Y. This is a 2.0 ounce bottle. I got this right here's my receipt. I got it for about $90 plus tax, so it's about $95.96. 2.0 ounce. They do have a bigger one, a 3.3 ounce bottle, and that's going to bring about $115 plus tax. So I'm going to unbox this to give you my first impression and show you how the bottle looks. So here we go. Here's the box, side of the box, back of the box information. Here's the side with the barcode. Here's the bottom, plain. And you can pick this up right now at Nordstrom. It's exclusive to Nordstrom right now. I don't know if it's going to come to Macy's or Sephar's. If I find out, I will make an updated video, let you guys know, ladies and gentlemen. So right now, let's get to the presentation. Nice texture right here with the Y. Kind of like deeped in more. Kind of deeped in. The outside is like really light, and this is kind of heavy dented in there. Top has YSL. Texture, nice texture. Back is the information right here and the ingredients in it. This is a 2.0 ounce bottle, 60 ml. Let's get it, unbox this. Here's the bottle presentation. Bottle looks gorgeous. Y on the side here. Here's the front. Yvessaintlaurent Y. Cap has YSL on it. Hope you guys can see that. Bottom has the batch code, and it is 38R501H. There is a batch code. There's texture up top, really nice texture. Name Yvessaintlaurent Y. The Y here on the side for Y. I like the bottle presentation because it's like kind of dark and black. So let's spray it and see how it is. Let's check out the distribution. If it sprays. Let's see if it sprays. Now, the notes in here, I couldn't find them at first. I had to go on the Nordstrom website to find the notes for this fragrance. So, right off the bat, the top notes are, they have bergamot, apple accord, sage, cedarwood, vetiver, and has ginger. Now, from initial spray, when I first sprayed this fragrance, I'll spray it again for you guys to see the distribution. Initial spray, I get the bergamot in it right off the top. Some more of like a fresh kind of fragrance. I get some of the sage in it. I haven't got the apple accord yet. That might be towards the middle or the dry down maybe. But right now I just get the bergamot and the sage in this fragrance here. I feel like it's one of the typical like fresh type of fragrance, but this is just first impression. My opinion might be totally different once I wear it a couple times and check on projection, longevity, what season when to wear this fragrance, and if I get compliments or not. So far I do like it. It's nice. Is it better than the original EDT? I do like this one a little bit more than the EDT right now. This is just first impressions. Once I test them both out, I'll do a review on both of them if you want. If you want a comparison between this one here, and I do have the other one. Hold on one second. I can do a comparison to both of them. Yvessaintlaurent Y, EDT, and EDP. I can do a comparison to both of them. This bottle's more lighter. This one's more darker. Batch code for this one right here is 38P601R. This is Yvessaintlaurent Y, original EDT. This is the Yvessaintlaurent Y EDP. Just the batch code information. This is a fingerprint magnet, to let you guys know, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna show you the bottles. I know you guys want to see that. So here's the box right here. The cap. And I'll spray a little bit more so you guys can see the distribution. Distribution is really light. Look at the distribution. It's a big spray right there. Yvessaintlaurent Y Eau de Parfum. Thanks for watching my video. I will have an updated video with the review, and hopefully I can have some guests on. If you guys want to see me with a guest on this for this fragrance right here, please leave a comment below letting me know. If you want to know more about this fragrance, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching my video. And if you want anything more about this information, I'll leave a link below where you can pick it up at Nordstrom. It's only exclusive Nordstrom. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day. Peace.